Tanguisson, and through that gate is where we will enter to head down toward Mushroom Rock. It's about a half-mile walk. Meanwhile, this is the site of an old power plant.
I didn't see no
which is no longer in operation. Here's your history of Tanguisson right here. We just left the beach area back there, but now we're going towards the famous Mushroom Rock. Be there in a few.
It's more like a road.
Yeah, it's not a path, it's a road. But there's no signs telling you which way to go to get to Mushroom Rock.
No sign?
There's no signs. There's beaches down there. But Mushroom Rock is up ahead.
Is that it?
That's it.
Only one or two?
There's a couple of them.
Huh?
There's a couple of them. We'll get there. On the beach. And absolutely nobody is here. In either direction. $165,000 people live on this island, but nobody's on the beach. Yeah. That's Two Lovers Point in the background, looking down toward Agana. That there, I don't know if you recognize her, but it's my girlfriend. I am definitely going for a swim this morning. This water is so crystal clear. These two don't look like a mushroom. This one here looks like a mushroom. Looks like a mushroom. So if ever there was a good place to beachcomb, it'd be right here. Where not too many people show up early in the morning. There was a couple of spear fishermen out here a few minutes ago. A lot of crabs hiding out here. Every once in a while you'll see one poke his head out of his hole. Fragment. Years ago, it was very possible to collect a whole bag full of shells on a morning walk, but you don't see too many shells anymore for whatever reason. I'm sure there's a myriad of reasons why the shell population has died. No pun intended. End of the beach. Check out the jungle. Looks like this could be an old sniper hole. I don't know. Looks pretty natural. But nonetheless, SH was here. And party people here leave their trash behind. Not unlike anywhere else on Guam. You can see through there. And pretty much jungle. And rock. And beer cans. Way up here. Might be an abandoned hermit crab. Outgrew his shell and moved on to bigger and better things. This is life in the tropic shade. This is life in the tropic shade. And this is life in the tropic shade. And the sun's starting to make its way to the beach, so I think we're not going to hang out too much longer. As soon as that tropic shade disappears, we're gone. You can see it on the far beach over there. The sun's already hitting that beach. And we're being blocked by this huge, massive cliff right here. But the sun is just right up there. Well, the only way around this rock is to swim. Or walk, wade. So I'll wade.